you can also use ChatGPT to write your YouTube video script. Okay, so it's very easy. For example, you can say write me write a YouTube video script on, you can just put quotation, and you can say five uh, things to do in India. Okay, and then you can just put, or you can just click on the shift and enter button to go to the second line. Okay, and here also you can just mention write in 100 words, or you can just specify it more like 100, 200 words, whatever you want, and click on enter. Okay, so now ChatGPT will going to give you the video script. What are the things you should do in India if you visit to India. Okay, so here you can see that it will going to create a complete YouTube video script for you. Okay, so it is that simple. Okay, and now if you want to make any of the one thing more elaborate, so you can even tell ChatGPT to elaborate. Let's say you want to elaborate, or you want to talk more about the Jaipur. Okay, so you can just say to ChatGPT, um, explain more about sec second point, or you can say second point. Okay, so click on enter. Now you can see we have just talked about the Jaipur, so we are saying to tell more about the point Jaipur. So now chat gpt will going to write more about Jaipur. Okay, so let's wait for it to write more about the Jaipur. Okay, so sometimes it may take little bit of time, because it can think what to write or what not to write. But just hold on for a few seconds, and you can easily be able to write amazing thing with the help of chat gpt. Okay, so let's wait. um, okay, so sometimes it takes time. Okay, but this is how you can make chat gpt to tell more about any specific points. Okay, and this will going to help you to do that. So let's wait. It's still thinking, I guess. Okay, uh, let's wait. It is taking so much time right now. You can see that it has started to write about the Jaipur. Okay, so here you can see that we have just told him to write about Jaipur, and ChatGPT is writing more about the Jaipur. Okay, so this is how you can just write the video script for your YouTube. Okay, and this will going to help you a lot. Okay, and uh, let's wait for it to get right. But this is how you can do as well. You can just ask any question to chat gpt, and if you and it will going to reply you with something. But if you want chat gpt to elaborate or tell more about some specific point, like here we have said chat gpt to tell more about the second point, so it has started to write more about the second point. So this is just a very great tool. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, but the thing is that you just need to have to answer or put your question in a such a way so that chat gpt can easily understand that.